Hey, good morning, everybody. All right, let's go over the market. Looks like the Russell is giving us the strongest readings for our setup and took the breakout right here. All right, and I did pass the combine today. So I'm very happy about that right there. Profit target $3,000. I love seeing that green line there filled up. Did that today on the Russell during the opening range because I had some trend cloud signals fire off. I was able to get in early, finish the combine, and exit immediately. And you want to exit out as soon as you have passed your combine. As soon as you hit that $3,000 profit target, close out, because that's all you need, and you want to pass this combine as quickly as possible and then get in there and start actually taking payouts, right? So we're going to copy trade this account across 4 other accounts. We'll have 5 accounts totaled, and if we bring in $3,000 on this account, that will be $15,000 across 5 accounts. So that's $15,000 a month that you can be bringing in with your trading, and Topstep is one of the best places to do that in. So let's go over our trade here. Trend cloud opening range breakout right here. We've got the ADR checkpoint right here. All of this comes with your trend cloud system. And you can see we're doing very well on the breakout here. If you wanted to start taking targets, we've got some targets right up here. Trend cloud puts that on your chart. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a target there, right? Sell 1, boom. And we want to front run that a little bit, front run it a little bit right there. Okay, and you do the same thing. You would do this the same way on Topstep, right? So everything we do at Trend Cloud using the Trend Cloud trading system is fully compatible with your Topstep platform, which you'll be using when you start to pass your first combine. All right, so we're just going to let this continue to move. You can see we've got a really nice, we're already at 1-to-1, right? We're already at 1-to-1. So we can bring this right there, right? Okay, now we're in a risk-free trade. We're in a risk-free trade right here, heading for our first target. And we always use the ADR checkpoint as a final target, right? And we do have some right here, some targets in front of that. Okay, here's ADR checkpoint. We've got some targets in front of that today. So you always use the proximal target, right? So again, it's never just a line. It's a zone. It's an area. That's what Trend Cloud is going to do for you. It's going to put everything on your chart so that you know where the targets are. Okay, so very visual trading system. This is a price action mapping system along with pattern recognition, right? It's going to show you where all the targets are, and it's also going to show you Trend Cloud signals like right here. Okay, Trend Cloud signals, enter the trade. Where would you get out of the trade? Well, at these lines here, these targets. Very easy to see, right? You can do, hey, I'm going to take a Trend Cloud signal. I'm going to take that 2-to-1, right? But I like to take the targets that Trend Cloud actually puts on my chart. Now, let's go over why we took the Russell today, okay? Number one, right, we are still, number one, Trend Cloud signal firing off on a 3-hour chart here, right? Those are the 3 time frames we use, 3-hour, 1-hour, and 15-minute. We've got the 5-minute on here. CCI is above the 0 line. Beautiful. We love that. Firing off a Trend Cloud signal. Cycle indicator is up. Those are all bonus components, right? That's all the icing on the cake there. CCI on the 1-hour chart, it's off the chart, right? I mean, it's above positive 200 here. That's very strong. Beautiful, very strong, sharp, upward looking Trend Cloud. That green, you got that green line. We are starting to cycle down right now, right? This is our little timing indicator telling us when we're in a corrective mode as opposed to an impulse mode. And then finally, the opening range, right? These lines get put onto your chart. right at the very beginning of the opening range so that you know exactly where and when to enter the trade, right? So what we got here was strong upward move on the 3 hour, strong upward move on the 1 hour, and that gave us the green light to take the entry on the opening range. And again, Trend Cloud puts all of these lines on your chart for you. All right, so we never know what's going to happen, right? We just know that these are the best conditions for us to win and make money. And if this does pull back and decide it wants to retest the opening range, well, nothing we can do about that, right? So we're not going to, at this point where, we're risk-free, we're not going to take any sort of loss. So whatever happens, happens. And when you do that every single day, every day, getting risk-free, you may have some small wins and then you'll have some big wins, right? But that's how you stay consistent. We want to take premium setups using your Trend Cloud system, right? So, and in the mentorship group, you will find everybody is doing the same thing. And you'll be able to ask questions and get to know these guys, and everybody is here to help. Wow, beautiful, beautiful move here, right? Really doing super well. I'm so excited to start the combine on Topstep and get funded. So we got funded today for $50,000, right? So we can work that account and then copy trade across 4 other accounts. We'll pass combines on those 4 accounts, and then we'll have 5 live funded accounts that we could actually make money with. So this is one of the best experiences of my life with day trading and prop trading firms. This is the way to go if you want to day trade for a living. You gotta partner with one of these prop trading firms, either Topstep or Apex. Those are 2 of the best and most reliable. And we like Topstep because it replicates all of this. It replicates, you can see, it is the same platform, right? It's the same platform here. Look at that. Beautiful. Love that. Okay, so we did this, or I completed the combine here in about a month, right? Less than a month. 20-something days, and there you go. All right, so we're off and running here. We'll continue to, I don't want this video to get too long. We're going to scale out of this position here and take this trade. This is a premium setup. And again, a premium setup is when you've got the 3-hour chart, CCI above the 0 line, 1-hour chart, CCI above the 0 line, and it also has to be above the 50 simple moving average on your Trend Cloud. That's it. Those are the 3 components that we need met. Okay, guys, I don't want this video to get too long. Just wanted to introduce Trend Cloud to you and show you how I passed my combine for Topstep. Just wanted to show you how I passed my combine using the Trend Cloud system and the opening range breakout strategy that I put together. It works very well. Passed the combine in around 24 days. I look forward to making more videos about this and documenting my experience. It's been awesome working with the guys over at Topstep. Really happy to start the new combine and copy trade across all 5 accounts. I am finally trading professionally with a prop trading firm and getting paid out on it now. So have a good one, and I will see you in the next video.